Welcome back to Cars is Car, your go-to channel for everything auto. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Maserati MC20, the Italian supercar that's rewriting the rules of performance and design. Buckle up because this is a ride you don't want to miss. The Maserati MC20 is the epitome of Italian craftsmanship. Just look at this design, it's sleek, aggressive, and unapologetically bold. Maserati has fused aerodynamics with artistry, creating a car that's not just fast but also stunning to behold. Every curve, every line is sculpted for speed and elegance. And those butterfly doors? Pure showstoppers. Exterior. Let's talk about the exterior. The signature Maserati grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights, gives the MC20 its unmistakable presence. The carbon fiber body keeps the weight down while offering maximum rigidity. Around the back, the massive diffuser and twin exhausts scream performance, while the subtle Triton logo reminds you this is a Maserati through and through. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect balance of luxury and performance. The interior is driver-focused with a minimalist design that doesn't skimp on premium touches. Carbon fiber and Alcantara dominate the cabin, and the digital instrument cluster and central touchscreen make navigating the MC20's features a breeze. And the attention to detail, every stitch, every button, is a testament to Maserati's commitment to excellence. Performance. Under the hood lies a masterpiece, a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, developed entirely in-house by Maserati. Dubbed the Nettuno, this engine produces a jaw-dropping 621 horsepower and 538 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the MC20 rockets from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds, with a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. It's not just about raw power. The MC20's lightweight chassis and advanced suspension ensure razor-sharp handling on both road and track. Unique selling point. What sets the Maserati MC20 apart is its ability to combine supercar performance with everyday usability. It's not just a weekend warrior, it's a car you can genuinely enjoy daily, thanks to its relatively comfortable ride, smart connectivity features, and spacious luggage capacity for a supercar. And let's not forget, it's the first Maserati in decades to bring back their in-house engine expertise, making it a true game-changer for the brand. There you have it, the 2025 Maserati MC20, a perfect blend of Italian flair, groundbreaking engineering, and supercar dominance. What do you think about this masterpiece? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars.